Yeah, it's the dog. I beat the bowl down, I beat the road down. Pistol in my hand, I be ready when it go down. You know how I rock out, you know what this Glock bout. One phone call, niggas knock the whole block down. You know how the fuck I'm coming, I'll pull up at 600. Pop got too much money, bitch can't get shit from me. Jeans cost 1,500, think the brick clean, I spun them. Money hit my hand, I spun it. Shit look funny, we gunning. I serve a whole lot of shit. Yeah, your rap sound gooder than a bitch, but you ain't bout that shit. Catch you trying chill and your will snatch you out that shit. Your BM on my dick, she said she never seen a house that big. This a 300 with 100, black out on a bitch. The moment this shit here look funny, I back out on a bitch. All she did was see my chain, I ain't back the racks out on a bitch. Wildin', bitch, my closet like I stuffed sacks in that bitch. Auntie needle loaded, there's too much smack in that bitch. Poppy sliding loaded in the back of the back with your bitch. Know damn well I'm coming trim. Niggas say he taking word from who? Bitch, your chance is slim. First chance you get, you gon' die. Won't get a chance again. You got robbed cause you came with that nigga. You better blame your man. 10 milli 30 with a button. That's a dangerous hand. I don't give a fuck about what you heard. Don't bring that shit to me. Cause dead with your brains on the curve is how this shit could be. I be high as shit about that cheese. I don't miss a beat. Point the pole dead at the door before I take a peek. The first 2 perks ain't work, so I'm taking 3. Colin Kaepernick out the chop, made him take a knee. You can play with anything in the world, just don't play with me. I done slid a foreign in the world, went from A to Z. Poppy ain't the one for all the games, nigga, I play for keeps. We'll make a mess with this bitch when we do a sweep. I pull up big shit, you still a big bitch. 3-bedroom condo in my cup, I drink a bitch rent. Pat got a slit, when you got that bag, you can send hits. How the fuck he a killer when a nigga never did shit? On the stove, I'm going raw, dog. Once it's on, you can't call it off. Once you on, don't be falling off. People on me, they called the law. Fuck, tried to crawl it off. 10 milli hit him, couldn't walk at all.